Hi, Miss Wattel here. I wanted to show you how to use Control F to find and replace something in a document. This is my SSRW pass. So if I hold down on my keyboard Control F to find, it brings up this. I'm going to type in my last name, and actually let's include my full name, Miss Wattel. It then finds on the page where all of those items are located. So, oops, sorry there. So if I click on the three dots here, what comes up is this option to find and replace. So I don't know, say I got married and I changed my name to Mrs. Whatever. I could do that by changing it and saying this to replace either one of them, or I could replace all of them. So there's 12 instances of my name on this page. So I'm going to click replace all, and then it will replace all of the Miss Wattels with Miss Whatevers. So that is how you can change a document to show, find and replace to change something really quick that's in a document multiple times. Okay, hope that helps. Have a good day. Bye.